Alright, so to replace this starter that we're doing in this video, you don't need many tools. I got a 3/8 ratchet with an extension, 13 mil socket. I got a 13 mil socket for a 1/4 inch and 8 mil for a 1/4 inch. And that's all you need, so let's jump into the video. The first thing you're going to do is disconnect your battery. Luckily for us, this has got the high dollar disconnect right there. Power on, power off. So with the power taken care of, we'll go underneath the passenger side of the truck and we will find the starter. Now, your starter should look something like this. You're gonna have your main battery lug, then you're gonna have your solenoid wire. So looking through the wheel well, you can see your small purple wire on the left. That's gonna be your solenoid wire. And then kind of down below it is gonna be your main battery lug wire. That should be a 13. That's what we're going after. All right, so I'm gonna try to sneak in from up underneath the truck and get to those wires. It's definitely awkward with one hand. Probably easier to go through the wheel liner, but I don't want to take the wheel liner loose. That's tightening, y'all. Heck yeah. If we didn't have a battery hook right now, we would be starting forest fires. So now looking underneath, you can see your starter. We're going after this bolt, and on the other side, we're going after that bolt right there. They're both 13s. We'll zip both of them out, and hopefully the starter comes out. And there she is, she's out. So the starter, it just pulled straight back and out. And there it is. So here's our starters. You always want to compare your parts you're replacing to make sure you're putting the same part back in, or comparable anyways. And these look identical, so let's get this one slapped in. I know it's probably upside down, but how awesome is it? Your starters come with stickers now that say, "No hammers allowed." All right, so we've got our starter on, hook our power back up. Ooh, we missed it. And we'll get our assistant Mike to try and start the truck, and let's see if she starts first try. All right, there you go, first try. She's running like a charm now. And, hopefully y'all enjoyed whatever this video turned out to be, but yeah, y'all hit that like and subscribe. Appreciate y'all watching.